Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity. And education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So, here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animal sports, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. Yawning is biological air conditioning. Only 2% of human beings have naturally green eyes, making it the rarest eye color. First pay toilets were invented in ancient Rome in 74 AD. It is illegal for a man to kiss a woman while she is asleep in Lega County, Colorado. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva a day. Bill Gates is America's biggest farmer and largest farmland owner in America. The first Apple logo isn't what you would think. Galileo's middle finger is on display at a museum in Florence, Italy. Google rents goats to eat the grass at their Mountain View headquarters. If a female fish sees her lover lose a fight, she loses interest. Smoking can void your Apple product warranties. The extinct shark Helicorpion, who had a circular saw of teeth as its lower jaw. There's a building in London that reflects the sun so perfectly that it literally melts cars. Samsung is 38 years and 1 month older than Apple. There's a dumb Starbucks where every product has the word dumb in front of it. The majority of the people plug in their USB wrong. According to research, 70% of teenagers have blocked their relatives on Facebook. The first product scanned was a packet of chewing gum in 1974. This is extremely rare atmospheric phenomenon called Rainbow Bridge. The first ever VCR was the size of a piano. Mahabharata, the total number of deaths were 1.6 billion in just 18 days. Scientists found nearly 1,500 new bacteria species in belly buttons. This is a tunnel of lights located in Ireland. Steve Jobs used sleight of hand at the first iPhone presentation. Mike the chicken lived for 18 months without its head. People are more likely to cry at night because lack of sleep makes emotions hard to control. Father locked daughter in cage for using Snapchat dog filter too much. World's longest free Wi-Fi network is in Patna, India. It stretches 20 km from Patna to Danapur. The first computer mouse wasn't made from plastic. It was made out of wood. There's a man who bought a Boeing for $100,000 and uses it as his house. Everyone wearing a mask while attending a football game in 1918, 102 years ago. Once a Domino's was fined for rupees 10 lakh for charging rupees 14 from two customers for carry bag. BMW holds the Guinness World Record for longest drift. In 2015, football player Cristiano Ronaldo gave his agent a Greek island as a wedding gift. A couple from Australia gets pizza free for 60 years from Domino's after they named their newborn baby. The crowned eagle is the only bird confirmed to view humans as prey. A team of 12 high school students invented a solar-powered tent that folds into a backpack for the homeless people. In 2011, Russia acknowledged beer as an alcoholic beverage. The camera used in many space missions are so powerful that it can see your shoe color and size from space. A 35-year-old Russian blogger married her 21-year-old stepson. They also have a daughter together. The people of North Korea may only choose from 28 approved haircuts. This salt is made from human tears and different emotions. It is available to buy. November 28, 2012 was the most peaceful day New York City ever had. Not a single violent crime was reported. This is how the human face would look without any muscles. The hardest bone in the human body is the mandible. Japanese stationery company Clear Radar developed transparent eraser to let you see what you are erasing. Gigantopithecus, the largest ape to have ever lived, stood 10 feet tall and weighed up to 600 pounds. In South Carolina, the maximum sentence for beating your dog is longer than the maximum sentence for beating your wife. 7% of men suffer from paralysis, an anxiety disorder that means you can't pee if other people are in close proximity. In the Great Fire of London in 1666, which destroyed 13,200 houses. We all have that one friend whom we miss a lot but don't talk because the things are not like as were before. Popular beer brand Carlsberg develops the world's first paper beer bottles that can be recycled easily. New Zealand proposes smoking ban for people born after 2004. In the 1960s, a dolphin named Peter fell in love with a human. He died of a broken heart a few weeks later. Rich people in China hire body doubles to serve their prison sentence.
Study says that 80% of men look at your breast when they meet you for the first time.
Thanks for watching. For more such amazing facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.